I'll wake up Hannah and you wake up Emma, okay? Got it. Emma, darling. Emma.
Yes, Dad?
Get ready. Today we're going to be heading to this amazing place inside the jungle. We have to go there by train. It's a fun little place where we're going to zip line and see all these birds and animals. Your mom booked us a little ticket for it to go see the animals. I know this is one activity that you wanted to do, because yesterday we got to go to the mall and Hannah got to get her ears pierced. That was the activity she wanted to do. Today we're doing the activity that you want to do, to go see that cool bird that you saw in your zoologist book.
Yay!
Hannah, darling, wake up. Yeah, Mom? We are going to be going to this wonderful forest explorer place where you get to zip line and you get to see all these animals and birds. We're going to go there because that's Emma's activity to do. So can you get dressed? Oh, yeah, of course.
I will quickly get dressed. I'll wear my pretty dress. Is that okay, Mommy?
Yes. Okay, guys, I'm so excited that I'm going. I wear this to the mall, so I guess I have to wear this. It's super pretty and it matches with my earrings, so I love it. Nice. Well, I'm ready. Yeah, let's go eat breakfast at the downstairs cafe. Yeah, let's head. Let's go there. And then we'll be on our way. Yes. This is not ours.
I want to push the button.
Okay. Floor 0.
0.
Okay. We're here. Pull it out. Let me know if you need anything. Got it. So there are eggs, hot dogs, and jelly and cereal, and donuts. Okay. You go find us a table.
Could get the one outside.
Okay, Hannah, you go. Hannah, you can grab it. Okay. I'll have some eggs and a sausage. I'll have the eggs for your mother, and I'll have a sausage. And yeah, I'm okay with the sausage. I'll have the egg and the other sausage.
Don't forget about me.
Can never figure it out. Do you want a donut?
Yes, please.
Okay. I'll stand. You guys can sit down.
Yay.
Nice. Let me have this cup. So you can have a nice quick cup of coffee. Honey, you want me to pour you one? Or it's okay. I'll sit right here. There you go. Nice. How nice is this? Very nice. Okay. Stack the plates on the table so she can pick it up and wash it. Okay. Let's hop into our rental car. Got it. Okay. Ready? Yep. Let's go.
Oh, welcome to the Forest Ranger Tour. I just want all of you to be very careful since we are high above the ground in this huge, amazing built-in treehouse that a person made. It was not really long ago. She is one of my close friends. She explores the world in the forest, and she writes down different things about every single animal that she sees, things that they do and where they live, and lots of facts about them, and she puts it in her own book. This is where she lives. This is where she stays to study these amazing animals that we don't even know yet. So I will show you around and show you these different type of animals. Again, be very careful because we are very high above the ground. Do not worry if you fall. Any circumstances, there is a protective net underneath this whole entire tree. So if you fall, you'll fall right on that net. And if it breaks, there's thousands of mats on the bottom that will make your fall softer. Follow me and we'll begin the tour. Now, if you can see, right over here was her sleeping space. She made her own hammock. She made lots of survival things that she would use. Right over here is a shower that she would make. She would turn it on and water from the lake that is running right now, if you hike like a few 10 to, I don't know, if you hike a few miles over there, there is a lake, and the water she's using to bathe herself is from that lake. She found her own system to get water there. Right over here is her gardening station. All these seeds are hand-picked and hand-turned from every other place. She also has a free beekeeping. You are allowed to bring home a jar of honey after the tour. Yes. What are those weird purple fruits? Oh, we don't really have a name for those, so we just call them gut cherries. They're a little bit bitter, but they're also a little bit sweet, but they're mostly bitter. They grow on that little vine next to all those pretty flowers. You're allowed to pick those flowers. Just be they are pretty, but they don't smell nice like other flowers. You can eat those, but it won't taste pleasant. Now, follow me. Right here where we started, over here is like a shed where she would store things. And right up here is a bathroom that she built. Yes. What are those like purple mushrooms? Those are wild, those mushrooms right there are wild violet mushrooms. They grow only in this area. At night, they actually glow. You can come to see them glow at night. They glow a beautiful purple color. It's remarkable. Trust me, it's beautiful when you see them glow. Right here is the zipline area. We will get to that later. Let's just walk on this little bridge to over here. Right here is a great area where she would study some animals. This is the wild koala right here. If you like, you can pet her. She's very friendly. She's not mean. Oh, she's so fluffy. I want to. Very nice. She loves hanging out over here and eating the fruits. Right up there is a beautiful bird. Hangs in the wild a lot. all those sounds that you were hearing are different type of animals around this savannah that hangs up in this tree. Right there where the telescope is at night, she would study the stars. Studying stars are very interesting and very cool. If you like to start it, there are books inside your local library to help you. She would study the stars. Yes. Did she study the stars like Moana? Yes. She would study the stars like Moana. Now, up there is a great reading nook. If you like, you could take fresh fruit. We have fresh mangoes. And right over here, I picked this just from the vine. Place it down right there. It is super good. There's a lot of wild fruit here. These blue mushrooms. We call them, sometimes people call them, some people call them wild mushrooms, beluga mushrooms, but we call them, in our local state, we usually like to call them the stichia mushrooms. You might be like, oh, but that's Stitch. Yeah. A little girl came over here and she named these, and for now on, we always just name these mushrooms what she wanted to name it. And I think it's amazing. These grow like all around the tree. Yes, it is a type of mushroom that if you touch it, it's kind of poisonous. We don't recommend it. Sometimes we would use these for herbs. It's not really good to touch because it's not really good to touch when it's raw, but when you boil it, when you boil it and then grind it up and put it into like bread or something, and like bread, it is really good, and it mostly cleanses the palate. Now over here, we also got fresh avocados. Right over here is where the other type of ones like to hang out. I just want to be clear. I just want you guys to be very careful because there is a plant right over there, a bird, and our local bat. Right over there are fresh bananas you could pick off right off the vine. I recommend it. They're very delicious when they're fresh. By looking at them, they are ripe. So if you like after the tour, you can definitely pick some. You just need to pay extra. Luckily, so the last thing on our tour is the zip line. So who would like to go on? I would. Okay, put on your safety helmet and strap yourself in. It's going way too fast. It's not supposed to go like that. I think something's going wrong. It's not supposed to go that fast. It's supposed to go really slow. What's your daughter's name? Hannah. Hannah, I would advise you to get off as quickly and as fastly as you can, because that rope is not strong enough to hold the support, and it might break of how fast it is going. I want you to get off. Safety patrols, get off, please. I'm trying. Ah! Oh my God, help! Everything just went black. And then I woke up. Where am I? Oh, thanks God. Honey, we're in the hospital. The hospital? But why?
You fell off at the zip line at the Forest Park, and you fell down and hit your head and broke your arm.
What? I'm gonna be okay, right?
Yes, but Hannah, I need to talk to your mom and dad. Okay. Okay. What is it, Doc? Yeah, what's wrong with our baby girl? I thought it was just a head injury. Nothing less. Hannah's head injury is very, very severe. If we don't find the right medication for her, she might lose her memory. What? Yes, she might not remember you, or her sister, or her dog, or anything. She might not even remember her name. No, not my baby girl. No, please. There must be something. There is something, but we don't know what. Until then, Hannah must stay in the hospital with us. If her head injury gets anywhere worse, we might have to do surgery. She hit her head really hard. Severe, very. Oh my God. Please, at least, is my baby girl going to be okay? If she has a surgery, there's a slight chance she might not survive it. But we will try our hardest. She will stay with us for a few days. And in those few days, we will check into her, see if she remembers a lot of things or not a lot. And if she doesn't remember like 5 or 6 things, then we might have to do surgery on her brain. Because we did an x-ray and there's a tumor. A tumor? I think it was a small one at first when she was little, but because of the head injury, I think it maybe gotten a little bit worse. I didn't know she had a tumor when she was little. I thought that she just banged her head and thought it was okay. Yes, but we will check in. Hannah, you're gonna be staying with us for a few days. No, I can't. My vacation. I'm so sorry, Hannah. I want to let you know something. What? Hannah, with the head injury, if you might lose your memory in a few days. No, I can't. I'll forget my friends, my family, my dog, everything I care about. No, I can't have that pressure. I'm sorry, Hannah. We'll try our best. No, I can't. What am I gonna do now?